नंबर एनालॉजी का पहला क्वेश्चन 326:36 square, then 143:? If we see in 326 past and last digit का स्क्वायर है 2, इसी तरह 143 में 1 3 13 का 4, तो ऑप्शन है ऑप्शन बी। सेकंड क्वेश्चन 24:10, then 36:? We know 6 into 4 equal to 24. Then if we add 6 plus 4 equal to 10. Similarly, in case of 36, 9 into 4 equal to 36. Then 9 plus 4 equal to 13. So answer is 13, option D. Next question 3:64, then 7:? Here we can see 3 plus 5 equal to 8. If we square of 8, then 64. Similarly, 7 plus 5 equal to 12. Then square of 12 equal to 144. So option number A is correct. Next question. Here we can see 63:27, then 86:? If we do 63 minus opposite of 63 digit 36, then we get 27. Similarly, in case of 86 minus 68, then we get 18. Next question. MK is to 13 15. So LO is to dash. Here M is to 13 and K is to 15. So alphabetically number of M is 13 and alphabetical number of K is 11. If 26 minus 13 we do, then we get 13. Then 26 minus 11 equal to 15. Because there are total 26 alphabet, L number is 12 and O is 15. Then 26 minus 12 equal to 14 and 26 minus 15 equal to 11. So the answer is option number C, 1411. Next question 32:36, then 27 is to ? Here 3 into 2 equal to 6, then square of 6 equal to 36. In this way 27 2 into 7 equal to 14. Then Square of 14 is 196. Next question. 14 is to 98, then 12 is to question mark. Here, square of 14 is 196. If we divide by 2, then we get 98. Similarly, square of 12 is equal to 144. If we divide by 2, then we get 72. So option A is correct. Next question. 15 is to 9, then 19 is to question mark. Square of 15 is 225. If we add all digit 2 plus 2 plus 5, then we get 9. Similarly, square of 19 is equal to 361. If we add all digit, then we get 10. So option C is correct. Then 6 is to 26 and 23 is to question mark. It's a tricky question. Let's see. Here we can see 26. 2 plus 6 is equal to 8. If we add 2 in 6, then we get 8. Similarly, next step, in case 23, 2 plus 3 equal to 5. So we have to add 2 so that we can get answer. 5 plus 2 is equal to 7. So answer should be sum of two digit is 7. Let's see the all option. In case of option A, 6 plus 4 equal to 10. Option B, 2 plus 8 is equal to 10. Option D, 2 plus 9 is equal to 11. So the option C is right. 3 plus 4 is equal to 7. Next question. 8 is to 56. Then 5 is to question mark. Here square of 8 is equal to 64. If we subtract 8, then we get 56. Similarly, square of 5 equal to 25. Then if we subtract 5, then we get 20. So option C is right. Next question. 6 is to 18, then 15 is to what? Here square of 6 is equal to 36. If 3 into 6, then 18, then square of 15 is equal to 225. Then 2 into 2 into 5 equal to 20. So option D is correct. Next solve this question. 4 is to 35, then 6 is to what? Here we can see digit 4, previous number is 3 and after number is 6. Sorry, 5. So number is 35. Then in case of 6, previous is 5 then after is 7, so number is 57, so the option is B.